Welcome to this video. I'd like to introduce the new Thanos4U motion controller. It was designed for use with SFX100 or similar do-it-yourself actuators to allow plug-and-play integration with SRS motion software. This new controller features a USB-C connection that provides both data and power to the controller. It still has the RJ45 connectors for e-stop box connection, which you can build your own or use some ready in the market, like Badger's e-stop from TNT or similar made in metal enclosure from PC Actuator. The Thanos4U controller is plug-and-play with all ASD type servo drives and supports actuators strokes up to 500mm. Most common actuators that are plug-and-play with this controller are the do-it-yourself SFX100, semi-do-it-yourself e-racing 100mm or 150mm actuators. Also the 100mm actuators from Scuderia Racetech and the PC Actuator 100 and 150mm actuators. Rotary actuators are not supported in the Thanos4U as it's designed primarily to be used with 4 vertical actuator rigs, with possibility to upgrade to additional horizontal placed actuators for surge traction loss or front back traction loss platforms. One exception is that it can be used with ASD custom-made belt tensioner, which is supported in some configurations in Sim Racing Studio. All the actuator setup and parameters of the Thanos4U controller are done in the Sim Racing Studio app. You can adjust stroke, lead screw type, inline or fold back type, park and standby speeds, timeouts, as well as smoothness to the motion of the actuators, which is best for comfortable use of the motion rig for flight simulator titles supported by the Sim Racing Studio. There is no need to reach for the LCD menu to adjust parameters like with the AMC ASD15A controller. All is available remotely via the Sim Racing Studio app. The parameters are saved in the controller and are recalled upon power on of the Thanos4U motion controller to allow the servos to properly calibrate and be ready for immediate use. The Thanos4U controller could also be used with SimTools and FlyPT Mover software, but is limited to only read motion data for the 4 actuators. It will be missing the actuator setup option that is only available on SRS at the moment. There are files available to 3D print enclosure for the Thanos4U controller, either a slim version or a normal, to fully enclose the controller for safe handling or placement. All in all, the Thanos4U controller is all you need for plug-and-play experience with your SFX 100 actuator rig and the easy-to-use Sim Racing Studio motion software.